Hi, class 5 pupils. It is time for science. I welcome you all for our lesson today. Assalamu alaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Pupils, still we are in weather, that is the topic. Our subtopic today is weather instruments. Pupils, last time we talked about weather instruments. If you look on the first picture, that is our weather instrument number 1, which we call anemometer. Anemometer is used to measure the speed of wind. Next is a telescope. A telescope, it looks the way you have seen that picture. Next, it is maximum and the minimum thermometer. Maximum, it is where mercury is used, and the minimum, it is where alcohol is used. So, pupils, we have two types of liquids used in thermometer. That is alcohol to measure minimum temperature, and the mercury to measure maximum thermometer. The other thermometer which you are seeing on the other side, that is the clinical thermometer. When you go to the hospital, you are sick, the doctor tells you to raise up your hand. Then he or she inserts that thermometer in your armpits so that he can take the reading of your temperature. That is fever. Next, it is the barometer, followed by the hygrometer. We have the wind shock, this painted red and white. In exam, the question which can be asked, why is the wind shock painted red and white? The reason is so for easy visibility. The wind shock is painted red and white for easy visibility. Another one, where is the wind shock used? The wind shock is used in airports and air strips so that the pilots are able to see when the weather is fine for them to take off. Another question which you might be asked in exam, name a weather instrument that is used to measure two aspects. The weather instrument that is used to measure the two aspects, the wind shock, it measures direction of wind and strength of wind. On the other side, we have the wind vane. Pupils, we have the pointer, that is the arrow, and we have the tail. The function of the wind vane is to measure direction of wind. Caution, note, the pointer always points where the wind is blowing from. I repeat, the wind vane, the pointer, that is the arrow, points always where the wind is blowing from. If the wind vane, the pointer is facing south, the wind is blowing from south to north. Next, we have the first one. It is how the rain gauge is constructed. So, pupils, we have the Stevenson's screen, the first two pictures. Then on the other side, it is the rain gauge. The rain gauge is used to measure the amount of water, and the amount of water is measured in units called millimeters. Millimeters, in short, it is mm. We want to see constructing liquid thermometer. How can you, as a class, as pupils class 5, how can you construct this? Materials required: a glass tube, ink, inner tube of a pen, cork, water, strong manila paper, and the tape. Facts about the liquid thermometer. Facts about a liquid thermometer are as follows. The scale reads from the bottom upwards. Liquid thermometer works under the principle of expansion of liquids. When the temperature rises, the water expands and moves upwards the straw. Colored water is used for visibility. Pupils, we have come to the end of our today's lesson. I wish you a nice day. Eid Mubarak.